YouTube, this is Jake again with Striker Fired out here at the range. We've been shooting these old Swedish Mausers today, and we already made a couple videos firing the carbine version of the Mauser, the Swedish Mauser, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fire a few rounds through this full-length version. And these guns are just absolute Cadillacs. I mean, the craftsmanship on them is absolutely beautiful. They're super accurate, and just a pleasure to shoot. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up here like this. So I'm gonna get my ears on and my eyes, and just see how we can do here. Alrighty.
Alright guys, I already got a couple loaded here. Jake, he shot a pretty nice group with that, about silver dollar size, so we'll see that whenever we get down there. This is my rifle. I traded a Ruger Bodyguard for this thing that I won at a Ducks Unlimited banquet, so I thought it was a great deal. I've shot it once before. It's not really zeroed in, but it was shot really good groups before, so we see how we do today. Alright, that's my 5. Let's go down there and see how I did. I don't really feel like I did that good. I took a low hold, which I shouldn't have on this target because there's nothing else to reference. So I imagine Jake probably outshot me on that one because I know he was actually aiming at the center of the target. Alright guys, see here, Jake he had a really nice group. I actually had about the same size group, besides this one over here, which was probably my first shot because I pulled really low on that. But still very good. Very good groups. This is what I would consider my group here. So they're both about silver dollar size. One thing that if anyone can take away from our videos, because a lot of our rifles, because we've just been buying guns and buying guns here lately, definitely if you're going to go hunting with it or try to use it in any kind of self-defense, you really want to zero the rifle for your eyes or figure out where it's shooting, where you need to hold. But we don't really care about that right now. All we're doing is shooting groups, so you can kind of see what kind of accuracy you can expect. And these are very fine rifles, and I'm with Jake on these are probably the highest quality Mausers that you're going to find. And the easy way to tell one, if you're looking at them, or even if you're looking at a sporterized one, these are all going to be marked Carl Gustav on the receiver. That's it for now. I think we're going to head back to the house.